Hello guys! Ngayon ay gagawa ako ng pickled chili. I will make my pickled chili. Look at how big. The big chili. So, plenty chili. I'm gonna make it a pickle today. But, so what I do, I'll just put, I cut a little bit on there. So I'll cut the chili. I'll put some, I'll put whole. So how big the chili doesn't hardly fit here. Okay, so I might get the big one as well. Sa sobrang laki ng chili ay hindi siya magkasya. So putulan ko na, just cut that one up. I think I put the small one there. I'll get the big one as well. I'll get the small one first. And I separate the fat one and the long one. I put separate. There's a bit of damage there, so I just cut that one there. So I separate all the short one, and I'll get the short one and the long one. I separate. Too tall, have to separate. Haba naman kasi itong chili na to. Maghanap ako ng ibang lalagyan na malaki. I think kukuha na lang ako ng lalagyan kong malalaki. Kasi lahat ito na nagawa ko, kuha ko malalaking chili. You know what, guys? When I put some, that's the sugar. And then when I put some vinegar later on, do you know the sugar is still on? Is still there? Hindi natatanggal hindi natutunaw yung asukar kapag nilagyan ko na ng vinegar. Sa baba, makikita nyo, ayan ang asukal, nandiyan pa. Hindi siya natutunaw. Inaabutan niya ng mga 1 linggo bago matunaw. Minsan wala pa. So it's like, it's 1 week before the sugar will melt. That one. If you put some vinegar. So that's vinegar I put. Now later on, I'm gonna make the rest because I ran out some white vinegar, so I have to buy some more vinegar. So right now, I only make. So I can put this one in the fridge. And I can show you guys. Tomorrow, the sugar is still there. They're not gonna go away. So I put this one in the fridge first. Now I'll take the big jug because it's too short. This one, I'll take the big one. So this is the jug, and I already cleaned this one before I put it away. And this is from the coffee. I rinse it again from the coffee jug. So I did rinse it again. Just make sure it's clean because it's been there in the box. So now this one, what I'm making, I don't have a vinegar yet. I'll put some vinegar later on. So I'll just put some whole. See how, yay, it's spit now. It's spit. The bad one, you can cut it. Then when you eat this one, you can eat the chili where it's not too hot because it's put some sugar. Try it at home and I hope you learn something. Big and long, that chili. So you know what guys, the chili, as long as it's pickled or dry, you can use it years and years. They're not gonna go off. Chili doesn't go off. As long they got vinegar, they got sugar, they got... As long as you know how to pickle it and you know how to make it, it doesn't go off. But if you put away just like this without nothing in it, it will go off. Will go off, believe me. Wow, it's full. I have to get another one. So later on, I'll put some vinegar. And maybe I put some black pepper there as well. But it doesn't need it because this is only already chili. Right, so that's one. And then I'll just put some sugar, so when the vinegar later on with my husband is finished, when he went to finish, Rote, mali-mali ka, when he went to buy some vinegar, I'll just put some vinegar later on. Okay, so that's just gonna put some vinegar later on and just shake it. Then the vinegar up to here. And here we go. Now, I'm still got some plenty, so I'm gonna get another jug. So I got another one. So this is from the same thing, from the coffee jar. This is from the coffee jar. So I just clean it and put away and use it for something else. Now I'm using for my chili pickle. So, okay lang yan na medyo may amoy-amoy ng coffee kasi coffee lang yan. Coffee lang yan. Lalagyan ko naman siya mamaya ng sugar. So, chili and coffee and sugar. Diba? Oh. May nahulog pa. Right. Nung araw, hindi ako mahilig sa chili. Pero, may nakita kasi ako. Nung bumili ako ng chili, noon, sabi ko, ay, hindi masyadong chili. Ilalagay ko lang sa pagluto ng mga ilang piraso lang. Sabi ko, hindi ako marunong mahilig yung chili. And then, yung tindahan ay Labanes siya. O Italiano something. Tinuruan niya ako kung paano kumain ng chili na hindi ka maang-anghang. And then I said, okay. So, pinakita niya kung paano. Sabi niya, alam mo ba yung mga tao na kumakain ng mga chili ay hindi sila naaanghangan? Kasi iyan ang ginagawa nila. Binababad nila sa asukal o kaya sa vinegar. O kaya naman ay tinatanggal nila yung mga what do you call it? Mga buto. Dinudukot nila dito yung buto, kinukuha nila para hindi masyadong angan. Tapos lalagyan nila ng asukal doon sa loob. Ganon ang sekreto. Subukan ninyo guys. Baka sakali meron kayong matutunan sa akin. Alam ko si Mimi mayroon natutunan sa akin yung treasurer ko. At hindi ito masisira basta nakababad lang siya ng asin at asukal. Kaya huwag kayong matakot. At baka naman ay pwede pa ninyo ibenta. Ako nga, yung mga kaibigan ko gusto rin nila, sabi ko, hindi ko yan ibinibenta. At ako'y natutuwa lang gumawa. At ako'y natutuwang makatulong. Katulad sa inyo, mga abangers ko. Mga angel ko. Pag kaya kong tumulong, matutulungan ko. Pero pag hindi ko kaya, pasensya lang muna. Sa susunod na lang na araw o linggo, ganyan. Napakalaki na. Napakalaki ng chili. Ayan, medyo puno na ito kasi sa sexy ko na lang. So, lalagyan ko na naman siya ng asukal. Alam ba ninyo mga garapon ko ay pro parehas kasi pinaglagyan ito ng mga kape. Yung mga pinaglagyan ng mga kape ay iniipon ko yan kasi sa ganitong bagay pwede kong magamit siya. Diba guys? Oh. Yan. So mamaya, yung isa kanina 3 lang nilagay ko kasi medyo So mamaya lalagyan ko na lang ito ng vinegar. So I done bali 3 nagawa ko, isang maliit kanina. So this make 3 is 3. So the other one, as you can see, tiga vinegar. But this one is no vinegar yet. But later on, I will put some vinegar if my husband went shopping. So sana may natutunan kayo. I hope you learn something guys. Thank you so much. And please follow me in YouTube channel. And thank you so much because whatever, kung ano matulong nyo, whatever you can help me for subscribing in the channel, that's big help for me for helping in the Philippines with the people is no food, they need shelter, they need clothes and food. Thank you so much for watching guys. Yeah.